Hi, this is Mike Davis with Davis Resnick Group at Champion Real Estate, and I'm here today talking with Jan Berlage. Jan is going to talk to us about the different chapters of bankruptcy.
Thanks, Mike. Let me start with Chapter 7, which is the most
Okay.
common. That's a straight liquidation. In essence, you're going to give all your non-exempt assets
Mm-hmm.
to the Chapter 7 trustee.
Mm-hmm.
To the extent there are assets, he's going to distribute them to your creditors.
Mm-hmm.
In return for at least being willing to give your non-exempt assets, you're going to get a discharge. What that means is that all your unsecured debt, with a few exceptions, is going to go away. Your secured debt's going to remain, but only to the extent that it's actually secured by property. For example, if you had a house and you kept the house in the bankruptcy,
Mm-hmm.
and along the way it gets foreclosed on,
Mm-hmm.
and you have $100,000 deficiency,
Mm-hmm.
if you hadn't filed bankruptcy, the bank could come after you for that money. But
Right.
if you file bankruptcy, they can't come after you individually.
Right. Okay.
Chapter 13 is a little bit different. And the way a Chapter 13 works is it's generally a 5-year plan, 60 months, sometimes it can be 3 years. But in essence, you're going to pay your creditors as best you can over that 5-year period.
Mm-hmm.
After that 5 years, your unsecured debt is going to go away with a few exceptions, and your secured debt is going to remain, but again, it's only going to remain to the extent that it's secured by property.
Mm-hmm.
Chapter 11 is usually what we talk about when we're talking about companies, but individuals with certain assets and certain amounts of debt can file
Mm-hmm.
Chapter 11 as
Mm-hmm.
well. And that's really kind of a Chapter 13 on steroids. It's going to be more expensive, but you're also going to have more flexibility with what you can and can't do.
Hmm.
And generally, those are the 3 chapters that individuals file, and businesses will file Chapter 7 and Chapter 11.
Okay. Thanks. Once again, I'm here with Jan Berlage. I'm Mike Davis with the Davis Resnick Group. Jan, why don't you give folks your phone number in case they have additional questions? I'd like to give you a call directly.
Sure. It's 410-752-1261.
Okay, great. Thanks very much, Jan.
Yep. Thank you,
Appreciate it.
Mike.
All right.